Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lucca M58 dual boiler espresso machine with us in the shop. This machine has a PID and it's an E61 group head, and pretty much I came in for a few reasons. One of them being that when you pull this lever, which we can't pull right now because we do have coffee in there for testing, it wouldn't turn on. And when we seen the original clip, we kind of have it here. It's kind of in pieces because we had to do a little bit of troubleshooting. This little knob that goes in and out didn't push anymore, so it got stuck, and just from old age and stuff like that. So I replaced it with a brand new one, the right one. And then we did a tune-up on this machine, which is replacing the group head gasket, cleaning the group head out of all the coffee residue and stuff like that. Replaced the shower screen, descaled the machine, both boilers, so that we could get all that scale out. There wasn't too much, there was more in the group head than in the steam boiler, which usually never happens, but you know, it wasn't too bad. And then we backflush the machine, make sure we clean all the valves from here to here. And yeah, that's about it. So now we are going to test the machine by turning it on. As you can see, that lever now hits the button because the button retracts back like normal. And don't worry if this goes a little too fast or a little too slow. This is our test grinder and our test coffee, so we don't really measure it to every machine that comes in. So we just kind of put coffee in there. But it's not looking too terrible. So we're just going to let it run. You got a nice shot timer right in the corner, which is a very precise shot time. It's really cool. You get the 0.1 seconds, which is usually unheard of. But yeah, it's a really nice machine. Now that we're done there, we're going to test the steam, because testing hot water first will drain the boiler. This one is a 3-spouted one, so you get nice steam pressure through your steam, one. If you go 2, it might be a little too much. You might be sitting there for a little while longer making milk, and if you go 4, this boiler might not be able to handle it. And so now we're going to test hot water. And this is a rotary pump, so when I let this go, you barely hear anything refilling that boiler. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.